Let me show you a quick and easy way to hide your Instagram photos without deleting anything. This is perfect if you want to keep certain posts private but still save them on your account. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Go to your profile and find the photo or video you want to hide. Tap on it, then hit the three dots in the top right corner. Select Archive here. Once you do that, the post will disappear from your profile grid, but don't worry, it's still safely stored in your account. If you want to hide multiple posts at once, open the menu and go to your activity. Posts at once. From there, choose the post you want to hide and tap Archive. To view your hidden posts, go back to your Activities section and select Archive. Here, you'll see all your archived posts stored in one place. And that's it! You've successfully hidden your Instagram photos without deleting them. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.